Hi, didn't see you there. My name is Cuttuchi. Alright, so we're gonna cook some good garlic bread. You need butter and a bowl to put the butter in. I'm so organized. So you get your pure butter, cut it. That's good. Alright, now you put it in the bowl. You need like about that much, but I think you need more. Alright, there. So come here. Come here. Shout out to Jay. So you put it in the microwave. 30 seconds. Alright, I think I can hear it, so I'm gonna stop it. Alright. Butter, fam. Alright. So we get this butter away now. And then, you know what we do? You know why it's called garlic bread? Because you have garlic in it. It's so funny. Oh yeah, meet my new butler. Butler, come here. Don't be shy. He's a replacement for Sebastian, Todd Zoreno, and Jeff Rambawas. His name is Pierre DeLeon. Yep. So, butler, I would like you to put that butter in the fridge. So you crush the garlic until it's juicy. So you go. Then you get all these ugly things away. By the way, you just need 2 garlic pieces. So it's not juicy yet. Crush it more. Butler, tell me if it's good. Is that juicy?
A little bit more.
You did not see that? Alright, so you find the cheese grinder thingy, and then you use it for the garlic. It's not working! I'm joking. You got fooled. It's working. You got you're part of Shaq and the Fool now. Oh, you loser. It worked. Kinda. Oh, see? Delicioso. Alright, so I'm just gonna finely chop it more. I'm like a samurai or like a ninja. It's too fast for you to see. Wait, no, it's too thick. Alright, so now you put it in the butter. So you put the garlic in the butter. My hands are sticky. Always wash your hands. It's good. Alright. Cool. Nice. So get that ugly stuff away. Now we need a plate. You didn't see that. So what you do with the plate is you get your freshly made Made by my mom and my butler, Pierre de Leon. You get it, and then you get it. First, let's just do one. Then you get these things, barbecue thingies. Soak it in. So good. Ew. Now you just like make it drip, 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 drip. Then you go. Oof, oof. Thank you, butler. Oof. Thank you, butler. See, butler's cool. Butler, do you think you're cool?
Of course.
I like that. So you gotta coat it both sides. Yeah. Both sides. Oh, a magic story happened. We got 4 pieces of bread on the plate. I blinked and it just popped. So it was a miracle. Alright, so we're just gonna coat this last one right here. Delicious. Yeah. Oh. Oh. So yeah, we got this garlic butter. Alright. So
How'd the butter get out of the fridge?
Nani?
Okay, I'll just put it back.
Alright. So come over here, my fellow cameraman. Alright, come here. So we need pan and tin foil. Whoa! Surprising, there's a pan and some tin foil. Cool. So we get this cool tin foil to cover up the pan. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's done. Alright, so we don't need that. So what you do is put bread. Oh, shout out to Marianne. Oh no, she's going. Alright, back to me. Alright, so yeah, Marianne was Pierre de Leon's lost sister. Yeah. So you put the pieces. 4 bread. Okay. So what you want to do is what you do is preheat it. So you start, bake, 360, and then start. So it's preheating. Hello. Meantime, I'm gonna clean. Alright. I'm gonna start cleaning now. So it's already heated, so I'm just gonna open this. Magic. Oh, that's. Put that in there. And we just let that bake for, let's do a timer for 10 minutes, Butler. 5 minutes. And then there, 5 minutes. It's done now, so we turn it off. Okay? So Where's my gloves? So we take this really mama made special gloves. Open. Check it first. Butler, tell me if that's good. Alright, let's put this in for 5 more minutes. Actually, 3. Oh, we have to do this thing again. Oh, major oof. Yeah. I think that's good. So now, whatever. So we got this garlic bread. Oh, that's hot.
What the fudge?
So now we get this clean plate and we get the garlic bread. Let's use this. Oof. That's 1 garlic bread, 2 garlic bread, 3 garlic bread, 4 garlic bread.
Thumbnail.
Wait, no, we need a garnish. That's how you make great garlic bread. Butler, say we out.
We out.
Back.
Mark.
Yeah, montage.
Roll the montage.
Let's do montage. Ready?
Say roll the montage.
Oh. Roll the montage.